Sorry it's been a week, busy with work. Gonna try and put down one of these persimmons again. I'm thinking maybe it's the peel. It's kind of like waxy and I mean, how many fruits do you really eat with the peel? I wouldn't eat that. Okay. Cheers to week 2 of trying to acquire the taste of a persimmon, huh? What is that? No. Maybe I left too much of the peel on. No, that's truly awful. Maybe it's the seeds? I don't. No. No, it's just real bad. Oh, it's like sand in my mouth. And like not in a good way, you know, ladies. Oh, that's really bad. Okay. No, that's real bad.